Banana plantations stretch across vast farmland.
Workers harvest mature banana plants by hand. Thick banana stems are cut into manageable sections. Workers bundle the stems for transport. The harvested stems are loaded for transport. The raw material begins its journey to the factory. The stems are transported to an industrial processing plant. The stems arrive at a modern fiber processing factory. Inside the factory, the stems are unloaded and prepared for processing. The stems move onto automated conveyor lines. The stems are mechanically chopped. The stems move along the processing line.
High-pressure water cleans the stems.
Rotating brushes scrub the stems clean.
Powerful jets remove remaining residue. Angled sprays rinse the stems completely. Vertical jets give the stems a final wash. Dual brushes scrub the stems thoroughly. The stems pass through a final washing tunnel. The cleaned stems enter the processing tunnel. Mechanical arms feed the stems into the machine. Rotating blades remove the outer layer. Rollers squeeze out excess moisture.
A second set of rollers crushes the stems further.
The stems are flattened into wide fiber sheets. The sheet separates into raw fibers. Water rinses the freshly separated fibers. A spinning brush loosens the fibers. Water cascades over the fiber mass. Rotating brushes agitate the fibers in water. Clean water rinses the fiber bundles. A large brush aligns the fibers. Rollers flatten and prepare the fibers. The fibers enter a steaming drying chamber. Hot air and steam begin drying the fibers. The fibers dry in a large heated chamber. Steam conditions the fibers before final drying. Heat lamps complete the drying process. The fibers pass through a final heated oven. Compression rollers densify the dried fibers. Parallel sheets of fiber are shaped evenly. Metal combs separate the fibers into threads. Textured rollers smooth and guide the fibers. Fine combs align the fibers precisely. The fibers form smooth, aligned sheets. Aligned fibers twist into strong rope. The rope passes through guiding systems. Fiber sheets combine with the rope. The fibers twist vertically into yarn.
Yarn strands twist together horizontally.
The yarn is dyed in vibrant blue. The yarn is also dyed in red. Steam sets the dye into the yarn. Steam and rollers stabilize the yarn.
Rollers remove excess dye from the yarn. Textured rollers squeeze out remaining dye. Steam fixes the color into the threads.
Heat dries the dyed yarn completely. The finished yarn winds onto bobbins. Blue thread winds onto large spools. White yarn winds onto industrial spools. Red yarn winds onto large spools. Precision machines wind yarn evenly. Blue yarn forms neat spools. Colored yarns combine for knitting.
The yarn enters a circular knitting machine.
Knitting hooks form loops from yarn.
Knitted fabric emerges from the machine.
A flatbed machine knits beige fabric.
White fabric exits the knitting machine.
Flatbed knitting produces gray fabric. Tension rollers smooth the fabric. The fabric rolls onto large tubes. Large rolls of fabric are formed.
The fabric is unrolled for processing.
A press smooths the fabric.
A laser cuts the fabric precisely.
The laser outlines bra cup patterns.
Rotary blades cut fabric into strips.
Automated cutters shape bra cups.
Robotic arms organize finished garments. Robots handle garments with precision.
Heated molds shape the bra cups.
Heated presses mold the fabric. A metal dome presses the fabric. Molded cups are released from the press. Molded cups move to assembly. Cups continue along the assembly line. Robots align cups for assembly. Heated molds shape pink bra cups. Straps are positioned for assembly. Clasps are attached to the straps.
Sewing machines stitch the fabric.
Straps are stitched to the garment.
The center seam joins the bra cups.
Lasers inspect each finished garment. The front closure is sewn in place. Hook and eye closures are sewn. Closures are secured to the straps. Robots attach the final closures. Buckles are stitched onto the straps.
Finished bras move to final inspection. Each bra receives its product tag.
Bras are vacuum sealed for packaging. Garments are sealed in protective bags. Boxes are wrapped for shipment.
Packages move through automated sorting.
Conveyor lines merge shipments together. A forklift lifts the shipment pallet.
Boxes are loaded into the truck.
Shipments arrive inside the trailer.
Robots stack the shipment inside.
The shipment leaves the factory.